Happy Navratri to everyone. Um, I've been asked to share my journey within poker, and I started playing this game in 2012 with a few of the friends in IIT Bombay. I went to meet a friend, and then I discovered this game, and then I was like having so much fun playing this game. I figured we were playing 100 rupees buy-in, and like even if I lose like 4 buy-ins, I spent 400. I was working then. I was having more fun than watching a movie, so I figured, it's a good way to spend weekends. That's how I kind of started playing. And later I got to know that these guys were off to Goa to play in the casino, and I was like, okay, I can play with these guys, and if these guys can go and play in the casinos, then I can also go and give it a shot. So I went there. The first time I played was an interesting experience. I had gone with a friend, and I had loaned 10k from him. In 10 days I was supposed to get my salary. I was like, if I lose it, I'm gonna give it back, and then we had to pay his entry fee and go. And I played like super scared or cautious, you can say, and then I that my buy-in was 10k, and then 2k was his entry fee, and then I made a profit of 4,000, and it was like the best day. Like, I had experienced the casino. We had great food and a lot of fun, and we were like free rolling this. Cut to 2 months later, I had gone with another friend to play in the tournament series. The first day I bought in for like another 15k or something, and then I had built up my stack to 25k. And then there was this hand which I remember on a Jack X board. I had check raise bet him, and on the river is tanking, and he called with ace jack. And as soon as he showed me this hand, I was just like literally laughing. This was the first day I'm playing. After that, after the first time I'm playing, the first time when I played was like I was so scared to even put in any money, and this time I was like bluffing with air and laughing it out when the other guy showed ace jack. तो ये हैंड देख के फिर आई स्टार्टेड लाइक लाइक कि भाई तू इसी हैंड के साथ डरेगा तो फिर मैं तो बाद में I'm good to play this game. And that night I ended up winning 1 lakh. That was my first session, and that's how the game has pulled me in. After that, when I went to IIM Calcutta, the only thing really I knew about IIM Calcutta was there was this guy who was getting coached with from Aditya Agarwal, and I wanted to play with him. We played a lot there for like the next 2 years, and then once I'm back to Bangalore, I was working, and during that time there were a lot of live games happening in Bangalore, so I played a bunch of live tournaments. And there was another friend with whom, like, bunch of friends we made through poker. I was playing with these guys, and Abhinav was one of them, and we had some discussions around the game, and then we had given ourselves a year to get better at this game. And eventually, as it turned out, after 3-4 months or something, and then I started playing tournaments more seriously, and that's how I kind of started my stint in tournaments. And during that time, Abhinav had passed away. I had left my job and switched full time to playing poker. It was a rough journey initially. Initially I had a lot of tournament wins and had some great start, so there was a lot of acceptance and ease for myself and from the family. But over the next 1 year, I had gone through a really rough patch where, after playing like buy-ins of whatever all the tournaments, and I was playing cash too, and like playing 1 lakh buy-ins, I was down right under and broke. And at that point I was basically playing the lowest stakes possible, and the main thing was it was difficult to accept that I was now playing these low stakes. And I remember this one day particularly when I just wanted to make a point to myself, and then I played this 100 rupees buy-in. And the main thing was not that I was playing the 100 rupees to buy-in, but I was willing to play these stakes also, because I was like, jo bhi karna hai karenge. And after that, thankfully, situations turned around. Few people were there to support me and stake me, and I've been able to get back at it and get back to playing whatever stakes that I'm playing back now again. Currently I play mostly tournaments, a little bit of cash once in a while. And I think if I have to just sort of look back at the overall journey and talk about what it has been about, मेरे को सबसे पहला चीज़ जो पोकर में जो मेरे को बहुत खींचा है वो चीज़ ये था कि मैं नॉर्मल लाइफ के सिचुएशंस बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल कर पा रहा था, बट जो पोकर के अंदर सिचुएशंस आ रही थी दे वर रियली गेटिंग टू मी, कि मैं अपने बैलेंस खो जा रहा था. सो आई वाज लाइक भाई यहाँ पे कुछ है देखने के लिए, देयर इज समथिंग टू लुक एट एंड फिक्स हियर. सो दैट वाज द ड्रॉ विच पुल्ड मी मोर इनटू पोकर. एंड एज आई वेंट इनटू इट, इट शोड मी, वो मेरे को अपने बारे में बहुत कुछ चीज़ें दिखाने लगा. एंड इट वॉज़ अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी कि वो सारी चीज़ें मैं चेंज करूँ, जो चेंजेस अपने अंदर लाना चाहता हूँ वो सारी चीज़ें मैं अप्लाई करने के लिए एक अच्छा गेम था. एंड जो भी अपने बारे में जो फॉल्स इमेजेस होते हैं वो सारा क्लैरिफाई करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एंड दिस गेम प्रोवाइडेड मी अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो and it's an ongoing journey. It's a journey of self-discovery, and it's a journey through which you become a better version of yourself. So that has been my poker journey. Share me what is your poker journey with everyone. Cheers guys.